Apple Income Comprehensive Income Statement Audit. Comprehensive income constitutes the adjustments in the net assets of a business entity within a given financial period. It is reflected in several events, including transactions and scenarios from the sources of non-owners. It encompasses all the adjustments in the company's equity, except those that result from the investment activities of owners, besides distribution to them. In the case of Apple Inc., it reflects the amount after tax of a decrease or increase in equity from other events and transactions and circumstances based on other comprehensive income and the net income which can be attributed to Apple Inc. Based on the tables and graphs, it is observable that the comprehensive income of Apple Inc. increased from 2018 through 2019. However, this value slightly declined between 2019 and 2020, such as as such in 2018. The entity's comprehensive income was $56 million. This figure increased in 2019 to $58 million, therefore slightly decreasing in 2020 to $57 million. This makes it essential to subject the company's comprehensive income statement to audit based on an overall approach to as corollary audit test. This implies basic tests regarding the overstatement of all debit account balances and expenses and assets, combined with a basic test regarding the understatement of all credit account balances, revenues, and liabilities. That results in the testing for an understatement or overstatement of all balances in the account either indirectly or directly. Essential. The audit process will involve three main strategies of audit preparation, including understanding and documenting the revenue source system or process notes, assessing the process to ensure that it works and as per documentation based on an audit walk through test, and finally identifying the controls within the audit process and testing to ascertain that they operated effectively throughout the entire financial period. The audit procedure of Apple Inc. Comprehensive Income Statement will constitute audit of revenue, audit of costs and sales, audit of other income, and the audit of expenses. As such, this entity comprehensive income statement audit will be achieved in the performance of procedures that are particularly tailored to serve as a response to the areas of identified risks. Such audit procedures include watching for occurrences, computing entries for measurement, and cut-off testing for completeness. Nevertheless, expenses will be audited in line with administrative expenses, establishment expenses, and financial costs. So overall, it is appropriate to assert that the audit of Apple Inc.'s comprehensive income statement is important in the achievement of a reasonable assurance regarding whether in his holistic financial statement is not associated with any material misstatement, either due to error or fraud, is enabling the auditor to express their opinions on the preparation of the financial statement in line with the appreciable and appreciate framework for reporting.